Boyz.
What's up, boys? It's the Island Boys here.
Oh my god.
What's up there, boys? We're here with the Island Boys today, and
Facts.
we got a video with Nutella, some wipes. We're just gonna go out here and see what happens and have a good time. Isaac, get hyped, buddy. Get it? It's the purge. PI purge, boys.
Oh, it's gold.
Look at that. The real stuff, boys. Nutella, not messing around. You spare no expense getting the good stuff. How clean that was. Oh, the first smell, give it.
Oh.
Your own hands first, buddy.
Why with the left hand, you moron?
Because I'm going to open the door with my left hand, you moron.
Oh, what an idiot. He touched it. Man.
Isaac, just don't move.
Oh my god, man, he's on my phone.
Oh, get off.
No, it's chill, bro. It's chill. It's chill. Put my hood up. What? About a gram.
Where is it, man?
Right back there.
What?
Yeah, it's right back
Man,
there.
just do this, man. Just do this.
Shoot.
You like, let me get the door for you.
Oh no.
She's gonna get it. She got it.
Oh, what?
She didn't even notice.
What the frick?
She just got it and didn't notice. Am I? You want me to walk up there, get it on my hands, and be like,
She's talking to it. She got it on her hand. She opened the door for her because it got on her hand. Look at her again. Oh, this looks like an alien.
oh.
She wiped it off from the car. This employee came and was like, how? How? And I was, oh my goodness.
What are you putting on your fingers there, Jimmy?
Poop.
That was a slimy pull, huh? Dirty.
Drop the door on her.
Oh, we'll get out of the way, car.
Welcome to my Thames Amenities. Can I take you out, please?
Can I just get a Dave single?
What's your hand there, buddy? Oh, yeah.
Pretty poopy. Thank you.
Okay.
You too.
Did you do it?
I definitely did it.
There you go. She looked at it. You. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
I got it. What do you got there? Oh my frick, guys.
Chunks.
Oh my frick, buddy.
You ready, boys? Oh. You know what's up?
You looked right now.